think about something that you would really like. But you've got to imagine it, and imagine it in an embodied way, like your full body needs to be engaged. And I mean your energetic body as well, right? So imagine what it is that you want. Have you got it? Because you've got to have it, and it's got to be so strong and potent. You need to be able to taste it, smell it. Like literally, there needs to be this visceral experience of it. Think about what it is that you want. I mean, in my case, it was I wanted to be at that villa in Bali, and I wanted to be hanging out with people like Christian, people who dare to dream and will declare their dreams, and then we'll design those dreams, and then we'll deliver on those dreams. They're the people that I want to spend time with. That's who I am. That's who I've been in and out, up and down, and around, no matter what, for at least the last 10 to 15 years. Some might argue 25. Some others might, like my parents might say, I came out of the womb like that. Determined. Okay, so it's like fully in this moment, what is it that you want? Imagine it. Remind yourself you are of the divine, connected to the divine. So you are of the energy of all of the quantum field, of all of what keeps the stars where they are in space, of what ensures seasons do follow each other. Remind yourself you are blessed. Okay. Now just imagine and repeat to yourself, hand on heart, yes, it can happen for me. Of course, it can happen for me. Yes, it can happen for me. It can. It can. That's what I'm choosing. That's what I'm choosing. And you know, I can have any wild naivety, thoughts or feelings. I can have any worries or concerns. I mean, I can have anything at all, and yet it can still happen for me. It absolutely can still happen for me. I can still have what it is that I want. And you know what? I really want it. I really, 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 really want it. I really, 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 really want it. And the truth is, I don't actually need it. I don't actually need it. I mean, I love it that I can make this happen. It's amazing. I love that I can actually make this happen. It's amazing. It's amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.